Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming a current backup. Once done, you avoid data loss. Reboot directly into Mac OS recovery using Command-R or Option Command-R for internet recovery when needed. Make sure to unlock the target disk with the admin password and sign into your Apple ID if prompted. You will open Disk Utility immediately. This gives you access to first aid and erase options. You're starting the process now, no extra setup, so proceed to verify the disk in Disk Utility. Once in Disk Utility, run first aid on the physical disk, each container, and every volume to fix directory errors. If first aid reports errors it can't repair, unmount the drive and open terminal. Use Diskutal list to identify the device, then Diskutal erase disk with the proper format and scheme, GUID partition map for modern Macs. Make sure to choose apps for SSDs and Mac OS Extended, journaled for older HDDs. This combination repairs metadata and forces a clean erase. After a successful erase, reinstall Mac OS from recovery and follow on-screen setup. If the erase still fails, check hardware. Inspect SMART status in Disk Utility, swap SATA/USB cables, or place the drive in an external enclosure to isolate the interface. Reset NVRAM and SMC on Intel Macs and retry. This clears firmware-level issues that block erase. If hardware diagnostics show failure, plan for replacement. Otherwise, repeat the Diskutal erase disk command.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.